In this video, you'll learn how to add Capital One Shopping to Chrome. Whether you're looking to save money or just want to find the best deals while shopping online, this handy extension can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Chrome Web Store in your browser. This is your go-to destination for finding and installing extensions that enhance your browsing experience. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Capital One Shopping. This will help you quickly locate the extension among the myriad of options available. After you find the Capital One Shopping extension in the search results, go ahead and click on the button that says Add to Chrome. This is the first step in bringing this powerful tool into your shopping routine. A pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your choice. Simply click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. This step is crucial as it ensures you're aware of and agree to the permissions the extension requires to function properly. Once you've confirmed the installation, the extension will begin downloading and installing automatically. This won't take long, so just be patient for a moment. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see some on-screen setup steps. Follow these instructions to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. This process is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Having an account will allow you to access personalized features and save even more as you shop. To make sure you have quick and easy access to Capital One Shopping whenever you need it, you should pin the extension to your Chrome toolbar. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser, find the Capital One Shopping extension from the list, and click on the pin icon next to it. Now, it will be visible on your toolbar ready to assist you in finding the best deals. And that's it. That's how you add Capital One Shopping to Chrome. With this extension, you're all set to enhance your online shopping experience, ensuring you never miss out on savings and deals. Enjoy shopping smarter and saving more with the help of Capital One Shopping. Happy shopping!